If you do not own a jointer and still want to straighten a board, the table saw works great. There's a lot of great designs on jigs to build for this purpose. But if you own a clamp-on straight edge like this, it can also do the job for you. These are mostly used to guide circular saws or routers on a panel. You just clamp the straight edge to the board. The length of the board is of course limited to the length of the clamp-on straight edge. But as you can see, there's a problem. The cam lever sits below the table surface and interferes with the table, pushing it through the table saw. To solve this problem, it's just a matter of reversing the cam handle. The split pin has to be removed. I just made a support block to put underneath. Then it's just reinserting the pin. If you like these kind of tips, please let me know in the comments section below. And thanks for watching.